Hey, it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing having a relationship with God.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these.
If you're new to my channel, my name's Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I empower others to believe in themselves by rediscovering their worth. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm so that way the video can reach more people. So, do you have a relationship with God? Now, I'm not gonna lie, my relationship with God is a bit rocky right now, but I am actually putting in the work to create a better relationship with God. And the way that I have been doing that is by praying, reading devotionals. I have been trying to understand the Bible because it's difficult. And also just doing my best to have faith in everything, because I noticed that I do have faith, but my faith in some areas I'm like worried, and it's like, if you have faith then you shouldn't be worried about this. Do you know what I'm saying? So have faith in God. Having a relationship with God will make your faith even better, because you'll love him so much and you know that he loves you. So that connection is just there. And when you have a connection and a relationship with God, then you understand yourself better, and your life overall is just happier, and you know that you can get through things with God. And the reason why I'm bringing this up is because God literally makes all the difference in my life, and I know that if he hasn't already, he would make all the difference in your life if you open your heart up to him. So make time to create a relationship with God. And if you feel that you've tried and it's just not working, try harder, do more, and know that God's going to help you get through things. You're not going to get through things on your own. He's going to help you get through what it is that is coming your way, because that's what God does. And as long as you have faith, and as long as you are doing your best to create, like absolute best, to create a relationship with God, your life will be happier, and you won't be struggling with trying to get through things. Now, I'm not saying that nothing's going to happen. Like, oh, your life is just going to be great. You're not going to have any struggles. You're going to be rich. You're not going to have any worries. Like, no. I'm not saying that at all. I'm not saying that's not possible, but it's not necessarily realistic. Things are still going to happen, and the major things that happen in your life, that's God testing your faith. So prove him right and know that you're going to get through it, and it's going to be hard. It's going to be difficult, but in the end, you're going to make it through because you have God on your side. But without God, things are going to be a lot more difficult. And I'm not saying that you can't get through things, because there's clearly people have, but why not have heaven on earth? I truly believe you can have heaven on earth. So pray, meditate, read your Bible, and just do your best to understand it. Look up online for different Bible studies, different packets that you can get to help you understand the Bible more. Don't just read it and not fully understand it. Trust me, I've been there. I've done that. I would zone out, try to read again, zone right back out. So what I am starting to do is to just go a little further. Listen to some podcasts that speak about God and speak about Jesus and just the Bible overall, and listen to music that is full of wisdom and full of praise and worship. Be mindful of what you consume, because it makes all the difference in the way that you move, in the way that you live, in the way that you feel. I hope that you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for your support. I hope that you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you're watching this. If you're interested in one-on-one coaching, definitely make sure you check the link in the description below, so that way you can book your free connection call with me. And in the call, we will discuss what it is that you're dealing with, and if my program can actually help you overcome your struggles and reach your goals. If you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload a new video. And comment down below a verse that has been resonating with you lately. Always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always, always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.